Hello, Andrew here, and this isn't a gaming video, but you already knew that. So I figured with the coronavirus happening, now is as good a time as any, probably even better, for people to learn new things and stuff. So my recommendation is to learn how to solder, because a bunch of stuff is electronic, and fixing most things electronic you can do if you have a multimeter and a soldering iron. Oscilloscopes help too. So yeah, and you can make little fun projects either with Arduinos and stuff, Raspberry Pis, and it helps to know how to solder things together with breadboards. You can solder things on there. And it's really cheap to learn how to do it. You can get a soldering iron for $5 and a big roll of solder. And then you just take a sponge from the kitchen and you're pretty much set. Just put it in a bowl and yeah, you can start soldering things. Your headphones break or the wire to your earbud and stuff, really easy to fix. And because you're fixing them, they're not going into a landfill, which is where they'd go usually. So you're helping the environment, you're saving money because you didn't have to go and buy new things. Eddie Andrew here, and I started rambling off at the end, so I just cut it. There are a couple things I wanted to mention. First, if you really want to be doing this, soldering a bunch, I definitely recommend getting a solder station, like when I mentioned near the sponge part. Also, getting a fan near you while you solder, fume extract thingy. It has a filter to stop the flux smoke, because that is toxic if you breathe it in. Just don't breathe it in. Yeah, also sorry about background noise. My 3D printer is going and it's at 74% and it still has 3 hours left, so I wasn't going to turn it off, and I want to try and get this video done. And so here are some channels that I recommend: EV Blog, Great Scott, and Big Clive. So I'll have links in the cards and in the description for them. So yeah, I hope you like this short little video, and as always, remember, never lick cactuses. Alright, bye.